All right, who's here on Desiree Castro? If you'll come forward, please.
Yes, take care.
Probation, this is an application. All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 011272, State versus Desiree Castro. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
I think for the state.
Luis Martinez on behalf of Ms. Castro.
And are you Ms. Castro?
Yes, you are.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I did, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Castro, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Judge, we are waiving count 1 and proceeding on count 2. And regarding count 2, we are proceeding on the lesser included offense of kidnapping.
Any objection?
No objection, Judge.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
All right, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of kidnapping as a third-degree felony. Range of punishment, it is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in the prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that the court would grant your application for deferred adjudication if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked? The court could find you guilty, sentence you up to a $10,000 fine and up to 10 years in the prison.
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, she has, Judge.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, she does.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
Ms. Castro, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if you're not a U.S. citizen by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry into the United States?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count 2, and they're proceeding on the lesser included offense of kidnapping. There's a $2,000 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
There have been none.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 6 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours of community service restitution, no contact with Sophia with an F, Martinez, Isabel Pequeno, Carly with the C, Arli, Green, Mariana Barnes with an ES, and the MRT. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to count 2, the lesser included offense of kidnapping, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
The offer states 1 in attachments.
And that's without objection, Judge.
All right. And state, have you spoken with the complainants?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and consent to stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court would defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We're prepared to proceed today, Judge.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, we asked the court to accept the plea bargain. We've done a lot of work with the state negotiations and then speaking with the complainants and evaluating the cases. And the attempting to parse the responsibility of all the alleged co-actors or indicted co-actors. And so after all that work, we've come to this as a compromise agreement that we believe is fair to all the parties. We're asking the court to accept.
All right, and if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
I'm sorry?
If you are drug tested today, what will your results be?
Clean.
All right, so do you want to do a drug test now?
You can, yes.
All right. Well, I'm going to send her for a drug test and we'll come back with sentencing.
Okay.
Can you, talk to Miss Abrams? She'll tell you where you need to go.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. All right. Are you all ready on Castro?
We're
All right, we're back on the record in 2024 CR 011272. State versus Desiree Castro.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And for the state,
It was Megan Galloway, Judge. You'd already taken the plea, so you'd.
Yes.
Them.
I understand it if necessary.
all right, if you'll just announce for the record and then you can be excused.
Melissa Alvin, Fifth State.
And for the defense?
Luis Martinez, we have to.
All right, so we're back for sentencing. Is there anything that needs to be discussed?
Oh, Judge, unfortunately for Ms. Castro, there was a positive UA for both THC and for benzo, for, essentially for Xanax and for THC.
Okay,
So we do need to address that issue because that's gonna, in either event, there was a joint recommendation for a TAP. I think that would have been appropriate regardless.
Okay.
I think the court can tell from the steps that there have been some lifestyle choices that she needs to start adjusting and making her decisions with regard to.
Mhm.
And we hope that her getting on probation is going to allow her, number one, the structure, and two, the motivation to make those decisions and put herself in a better position.
all right. Do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
What are their ages?
She's 6 years old.
And who does she stay with?
She stays with me and also her grandma. We go back and forth. Like, we share custody, basically.
And is Child Protective Services involved?
No,
No, she stays with her grandma during the weekend and me on the weekends.
All right. And are you employed?
No, not currently.
So how do you support yourself?
I was employed at a vape shop, but we were getting robbed, so they had fired me. But I have a boyfriend who helps me out with groceries and stuff like that I help out with my parents. I'll just tell my mom, hey, this is what I want from the grocery store, and help out with groceries for my daughter. But other than that, I do stay with my stepdad and my mom.
I know that she has expressed concern as far as getting employment lined up that's not at a place like a vape shop. Obviously, there's going to be some issues doing that. She's been on GPS monitoring, so that's been an issue as well. But any kind of job counseling, any kind of services in those regards, that's something that she's amenable to and something she's hoping to get.
How far did you go in school?
I graduated high school. I got a diploma. And then I had my daughter the year after I graduated, or 2 years after I graduated, actually.
All right, this is what the court's going to do. There's a $2,000 fine that'll be prorated, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, 6 years deferred adjudication, proof of employment within 45 days, no employment as a home health care provider with minors or in vape shops, field visits 1 time per month until further notice, 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once that's completed, 100 hours will be deemed satisfied. And then you can either do the remaining 100 hours or either obtain higher level education or either some sort of certification in trade school. There's to be no contact with Sophia Martinez, Isabel Paquino, Carly Green, Mariana Barnes, the MRT. There should be no unsupervised contact with minors until further notice. The following will take place in custody. There should be a referral to felony drug court. There should be a TAP evaluation. If not accepted in felony drug court, follow TAP recommendations. And there should be 40 sober meetings in 40 days. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court?
No.
All right, yes,
And I was going to ask, does that mean the court intends to take her into custody today?
yes.
Okay.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we can go off the record. If she's honest with felony drug court will probably accept her, and their evaluation will probably be at the latest on Monday or Tuesday. If she's not honest with them, then they won't accept her, and she'll have to wait for the TAP evaluation in custody and whatever their recommendations are. All right.